Good evening, guys. Good evening, all. Am I audible? How is your day? Did anyone pass practice yesterday's programs, topics? Did anyone by mistakenly practice anyone? One person? Anyone practice and have doubts? Please go on mute. Who is that person? Prashanti, please go on mute. Let's wait for 10 minutes more because only 65 people are there. Okay, guys, let's wait for 10 more minutes. Only 65 persons are there. 65 people are there. Let others come and join. After that, we will start. Until then, go and revise all topics. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. Yeah, those who are watching from YouTube, they can join this classroom link. Your link is in your chat box. You can join through that. Shall we start, guys? Shall we start? Yeah. Yeah. Did you remember yesterday's topic, guys? What we have discussed in yesterday's class? Yeah. Then types of inheritance and
Object class.
then
Object class is a class,
is a not
is
a
a
class.
relationship,
Yeah. Is a
is
relationship.
a relationship.
Yeah. Can anyone tell me what are the
Method.
methods present in object class? Few methods. I'm not asking all the methods. Just tell me whatever you remembered. Don't open book. Don't see back side. Whatever you remembered, if it at least one class also tell me. One method. At least one method.
Public object.
Not
Public
Notify
object.
method.
wait, notify,
Wait
Okay.
methods.
Wait method, notify method,
Yeah.
object,
String
override.
to
Two
get
string.
Not
class
a
state
hashcode.
It is not
equals
string
method.
two. Yeah. It is not string two. It is two string. Okay. Understood, guys? It is not string two. It is a two string method.
Wait methods with different
Wait
parameters.
methods with different parameters.
Yeah. Now today our topic is super keyword, guys. Okay. Super keyword. Okay. Yesterday I told, right? Now first I will show practical example. After that you only tell me what is the use of it. Okay. Let me take. Let me take demo. Okay. My class name is demo. Wait, guys. I am performing more tasks today. That's why my system is lagging somewhat. Don't mind. Int I equal to 10 here. Okay. Otherwise, I will take string. Okay. String s equal to demo class. It's my string. Understood, guys? What is this? Tell me what is this? Can anyone tell me what is this? I'm asking you people. What is this?
Non-static.
default constructor.
It is a default constructor. When I'm thinking, is there I'm printing any writing a method? It's a def non-static variable, right? String s. It is a
Yes,
non-static variable.
string.
Yeah. It is a non-static variable. It is not a constructor. Constructor means this is constructor. This is constructor. This is non-static variable. Okay, guys. Let me create one more class. Demo 2. Okay. Let me extend demo. In this also, I have a string non-static string called s equal to demo 2 class. Understood, guys? Any doubt in this? Let me keep it
No.
side by side. This is my demo class. This is my demo 2 class. Demo 2 extends demo. Now I will create a main method. Now I will create object of demo2 equal to if I call, sorry, forgot to give d dot s. Which variable is referred, guys? Tell me which variable is referred.
Non-static variable is
Of which
Parent
class?
class.
Of which class?
demo2.
Demo
Parent
2.
class, sir.
Demo 2.
I want here my demo class variable. How to use it? Okay, let me simplify it
Using 2%.
again. Okay, let me simplify one more time. Void
Override.
display method. Okay, just I'm writing a non-static method called display. Okay, here now I will print yes. Okay, here I will call d dot display method. Now tell me what will be the output. I can refer non-static members in non-static method directly, right? Both are non-static means whenever I call this method with an object reference, that object reference only assigned to this variable also. Understood? That's why I'm directly referring. Tell me what will be the output, guys?
Demo2 class.
Demo 2 class, sir.
Demo 2 class.
Demo 2 class, sir.
Demo2 class. But if you see means in my class we are performing inheritance, right?
We are performing inheritance, right?
Who is that person?
That person.
Here we are performing inheritance. Am I correct? Inheritance means acquiring properties from one class to another class. That means whatever the property is present in demo class, that all are present in this class also, right? Demo2 class. Will it be there or not, guys? Will this property is present in my demo2 class or not? If I remove
Present.
this, if I remove
Yes,
this,
sir, present.
tell me what will be the output. Now I commented demo2 class. What will be the output?
Demo class, sir.
Demo class, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See, I am getting demo class. Why I am getting means assume that you are staying in a hostel, okay? You are all intermediate students or BTech students. Assume you are a student, you are staying in hostel. Suddenly your parents came and asked to your principal that call this boy, call Rahul. Okay. First attender will come and call in first section, right? He will call in first class. Is there any Rahul? If any person with Rahul name is there in class 1, I think section 1, he will be picked, right? He will be picked. Am I correct? Will you face these things anywhere in your school life or college life?
Yes, sir.
Whenever your parents just called by name, just name. Your parents is not giving P Rahul, K Rahul like that. They are not mentioned. They just given name Rahul. Attender will come and call in first class. If there is any Rahul means he will be taken out. Otherwise he will go to next section. If he is not there means he will go to next section, right? Am I correct? Respond, guys.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
If okay,
Yes,
first of
sir.
all, from section one person is out, but he is not the correct person. Your parents got me tell that he is not our child. Our children name is my child is. My son name is K. Rahul. So again, Pule will go, attender will go and ask again, K. Rahul, who is K. Rahul? Like that. Am I correct? Am I correct, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That means for calling person, we use our names. Like this also in inheritance. For calling superclass names, superclass words. Superclass non-static variables are members, anything. Superclass non-static members, okay? It may be a method, it may be a variable. We use super keyword. Whenever we use super keyword, at the time it will tell that go to superclass, not current class. Don't check in my class. Directly go to superclass and take that value and use it. Understood, guys? In line number 10, it will print
Sir.
demo2 class. In line number 11, it will print demo class. See here, am I getting the same values? Demo2 and demo.
Yes, sir.
Understood
Yes,
what is
sir.
it? Superclass. Now, see here, there is a display method in this. And here also I will write one display method, okay? Void display. Here also there is a method called void display. Like this. Now tell me which display method is here calling. This display method will present in demo2 class also, right? Because we are performing inheritance. Whatever the things present in demo class, parent class, those all are inherited to child class. If I call here means it will call current class object. If I want super call means d dot I can't use this in non-static member, right? Super dot display. I'm getting. I am from demo to demo class, right? If I remove this means it will be like if I remove super keyword means it will be recursion topic, right? Calling method, same method repeatedly, right? Am I correct, guys?
Yes, sir.
This is recursion, right? Calling same method. If I use super keyword means here, it will call super class method, right? Understood? What is the use of super keyword?
It is used to access the superclass methods or variables.
Don't tell like this. It is used to access the immediate superclass non-static members, okay? Non-static members. Non-static members it will refer variables and methods. Single sentence. Write that point. Super keyword is used to access the immediate superclass non-static member. Okay? Members or you can say methods or variables. Understood, guys? Understood about super keyword? Any doubt in super keyword?
Yes, sir.
Can I
No,
go
sir.
for super call statement? Superclass. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
You guys already know, right? Whenever we have creating a constructor, I assume that I don't want demo to class up to now. I don't want it. Let me delete this. Let me delete this also. I am removing inheritance, guys. Okay. Did I have any constructor in my class, guys? Did I have any constructor in my class?
Yes,
Yes, sir. Default
default.
constructor.
Yeah.
Default
Now,
constructor, sir.
now I am writing one more constructor, guys. Okay.
Okay, guys, okay.
Unmuted.
Which will accept string input.
Which will accept string input.
Here, this dot s equal to yes. I'm assigning value. And again, I will create one more constructor. Okay. Demo2 s equal to default. I'm assigning this, guys. Tell me the output of this program. Tell me the output, guys. What will be the output? Guys, tell me the output.
Default, sir.
Default, sir. Default.
Yeah, right?
Default, sir.
Default.
Default.
Default, sir.
Yeah. Now tell me. Let me write one more example. Just modify. Let me give 1 second. I'll bring one beautiful example for you. Yes, guys. You guys know already, right? This call statement. You know, right? This call statement. Why you use it? Tell guys why we use this call statement.
Calling another
It is
constructor
used
in
to
the same
connect
class.
instance non-static method.
Now tell me what is my output. Tell my output, guys.
Mm.
Tell output, guys.
Sir,
Not
could you please
default,
Default, sir.
default.
What?
default?
Default.
If I remove this line, what will be the output now? Tell me, guys, what is the output?
Not a default.
Not default.
Not default, sir.
Am I calling this constructor? No, right? Then why
No.
I'm getting? Then why I'm getting not default? I am not assigning any value to s. But how it is assigning? Tell me.
By using this call statement, sir.
Yeah. What is the use of this call statement? This call statement is used to call the current class constructor. Am I correct? This call
Yes, sir.
statement is used to call the current class constructor, and this is used to constructor chaining, right?
Yes,
Like
sir.
this.
Yes, sir.
Up to this understood, right? This call statement understood, right? Everyone understood this statement? This call statement.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Now
sir.
Yes,
let
sir.
me go back to my demo class. Go back to my demo class. Here also one static variable, non-static variable is there, and there is a constructor called demo, which accepts string input. Yes, yes. Now I will perform again inheritance. See here, will you able to observe this implicit super constructor demo is defined must be invoked in another constructor. Are you able to see this? Why I am getting error means whenever we perform an inheritance in our constructor, Java implicitly adds a supercall statement, guys. Okay, supercall statement. Supercall means like this call only. This call is used for calling current class constructor. Am I correct? Am I correct,
Yes, sir.
guys?
Yes, sir.
This call statement is
Yes,
used to
sir.
call the current class constructor. Like that, supercall statement is used to call the superclass constructor. Okay, definition. Okay, supercall statement is used to call the supercall constructor. Understood, guys?
Yes, sir.
Whenever we write a
Yes,
constructor in
sir.
subclass, whenever we write a subclass in constructor, Java implicitly, that means Java automatically adds supercall statement. Which supercall statement means default supercall statement. Okay, there is assume that there is no parametric constructor. There is no constructor in my class. Is any constructor present in my demo class, guys? Any constructor present in my demo class? Demo and demo
No,
2.
sir.
No,
No,
sir.
both the classes. Tell me, any constructors are there in my both the classes?
Yes,
Any
sir.
const
Their default constructor.
Default constructor,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Default,
All
sir.
constructor is there.
default constructor is there, right? If I try to call this means, let me don't change this. Let me change here. Demo equal to, I'll parametric it, okay? String s1, s equal to s1. Whenever I am saving my parent class, if you observe means there is an error in my demo to write child class. Are you able to see it immediately? Whenever I am saving my constructor in my demo class, parent class, I am getting error in my child class. Are you able to observe it? See
Yes,
here.
sir.
I will comment it and save. Error is gone, right? See, there is no error. If I uncomment it and save. See here, I got an error, right? Are you able to see it? Did I need to zoom? I think you can able to zoom in the tab. See here. Can anyone read this statement? For me, can anyone read this statement?
Implicit
Implicit
Explicit super
super
constructor demo is undefined
constructor
for default constructor. Must define an explicit constructor.
What? Okay. What you have understood? Can anyone understood this line? Anyone tell meaning of this line? Why I am getting error like this? Reason I don't want. Tell me the meaning of that line. That's it. Tell me just meaning of that line, guys.
We can't use implicit constructor here, sir. We must define an explicit constructor.
Why? Because whenever there is a class with default constructor. In demo, there is no parametric constructor, right? Here only default constructor is there, right? Here we have default constructor, right? Only default constructor is there in my demo class, right? Demo 2 class. That is my child class. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Respond, guys. Yeah. There is only default constructor in my
Yes,
demo
sir.
2 class. That is child class. Let me
Yes.
make it child only, guys. You guys are confusing very much. For this, I will make it parent. Okay. Child extends parent. Now see here. It is showing one quick fix, right? It is showing one suggestion. What is the suggestion? Add a constructor with child argument, right? String argument. Are you able to see it, guys?
Yes, sir.
And it is defaultly added supercall statement. If you see means it added defaultly a supercall statement with one string parameter. Why? Because in my parent class, is there any constructor with no arguments, zero arguments? Any constructor with zero
No.
arguments? No, right? That means whenever we perform inheritance, see here, whenever we perform inheritance, whenever we perform inheritance case, okay, in subclass, there will be constructor, right? One constructor. Here also one constructor is there defaultly. If we don't, if I don't write any constructor, Java implicitly, that means Java automatically calls this constructor, default constructor, okay? Java knows only calling default constructor. It will call default constructor for you. It will help that much only. If you forgot to call means it will call. It will help you to call, that's it. Understood, guys? Java is capable of only
Yes,
calling
sir.
zero argument constructor, okay? Zero argument constructor, that's it. If there is a zero argument constructor in your program, it will work automatically. If there is no default constructor, let me remove this also for you. If you see, after removing, I'm getting same error, right?
Excuse me, sir.
After removing, I'm getting same error. Why means in my parent class there is no constructor with zero arguments. Understood, guys? Reason? why it is mandatory means in my child class, is there any constructor calling supercall constructor with arguments? Am I
No, sir.
calling any constructor of parent class by using arguments?
No, sir, you
No,
didn't.
sir. No, sir.
But
No, sir.
Java is indirectly calling, automatically calling which constructor?
Default constructor.
Default constructor.
Default constructor.
All
From
constructors, sir.
child class default constructor, Java calling parent class default constructor. Is it? Is it
Yes,
guys?
sir.
Now tell me, is there any default constructor in my parent class? Any default constructor is there?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No. Only there is one constructor is available. That too with parameters, right? One string parameter required for it.
Yes, sir.
Now only Java is something is it is not a human, right? It is a machine. It knows only calling non-parameterized. That means zero argument constructor. Java knows only calling zero argument constructor. If there is no zero argument constructor in your parent class, it will throw error. See, that's the reason I am getting error, right? Because Java don't know how to call parameterized constructor. You should tell it call like this. If I create one constructor with zero arguments, now here my error gone, right? Are you able to see it? My error is gone.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can anyone tell me what is the reason why the error is gone?
Child
Here,
Because you
class
are
have default
created a
constructor.
here my effect says why I am asking you guys means if you interact means you will get the answers. If I teach means I will get. You will remember that points only. If you try to solve means, if you try to think means, you will get remembering everywhere. Yeah, on that day Sir told this. I have answered this topic. Like this, you will get remember. So I am asking you guys only. Don't feel bad, guys. Sir asking everything to us only. Sir is not telling anything. If you tell wrong means, I will explain. Okay? Now tell me what is the reason error is gone?
because you are created a
Default
default
constructor
constructor in
created.
the parent class.
Yeah. Now my parent class contains two constructors, right? One constructor is with arguments, one is with zero arguments. Zero arguments are default. In my child class, Java automatically calling which constructor?
Default constructor. Parent class default constructor.
Parent class default constructor. It will go and check. Is there any default constructor in my parent class? Yeah, it is present. So it will execute. Understood, guys?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Yes,
Whenever
understood.
whenever we are performing inheritance, Java automatically adds supercall statement. Okay, supercall statement. If there is no default constructor in your parent class, you need to explicitly call the constructor. Understood, guys? Explicit means you need to call it. If there is no constructor like this means definitely I need to create constructor right here. I should create constructor like this. I should create super call with s. Definitely I should create like this, right? It is mandatory, right?
Yes, sir.
If I remove this line means there is no use. It will again throws error. This dot s equal to s. Again it is throwing error. Whenever you are not writing supercast statement means Java think that oh he is not writing. I should help him. For him I will call. On sake of you, on behalf of you, Java will call one constructor. Java is trying to help you, but she don't know how to help you. But it don't know how to help you, right? Java knows only calling default constructor. But there is no default constructor. You know that, right? Are you getting my point, guys? Java is trying to help
Yes,
you.
sir.
In which way? He is not writing supercall statement. Okay. For him, I will write. You don't write. You don't struggle. I will help you. Defaultly, it will call like this. This statement Java will be added. This statement is added by the Java. Supercall means calling superclass constructor. Am I passing any arguments here? Am I
No, sir.
passing? No. Is
Yes,
there
Yes,
sir.
sir.
any constructor without arguments in my parent class? Here.
No.
Any
No,
argument?
sir.
No. Then it will throw error. That's why either you have a chance to give call parameterized constructor by using supercall statement by providing arguments, or otherwise you need to create a default constructor. Okay, based on your requirement you need to write. Okay, now I will call this.
Yes, sir.
Understood, guys? Now I will create a object of child class. Child c equal to new child. Tell me one thing. Wow, I'm giving string as wow. Okay, if I call super dot display method here also, tell me the output, guys. Tell me the output.
I am from demo. Wow.
I am from demo and wow.
Wow.
Which statement will be first, guys? Which statement will execute first?
I am from demo.
Parent.
Wow.
Why it is giving wow? Someone tell I'm from demo.
Yes,
Why?
sir.
Why means here I'm not calling, I'm not printing any statement in constructor. Just I'm passing arguments. By using constructor, I am giving value to that. That's it. But in this, first I'm printing s value. That is s contains wow. After that I am calling super class display method. It will go to parent class and it will go to display method. In display method, I am from demo. Like this, it is printed. Okay. Okay, guys, understood?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Will you write notes or can I need to start constructor chaining? Do you want notes at a time or you want notes now only?
If you give an answer, it is better.
Already we have completed half of the part of constructor chaining. So within 10 minutes I will complete constructor chaining. After that I will provide notes. That's it. Okay. Guys, please go on
Okay.
mute.
Okay, sir.
It is very disturbing.
Okay,
Arun,
sir.
Arun, please go on mute. No. Let me create one more package, guys, because here ABC already taken. Oops one. My package name is oops one. Okay. Here I'm creating a class called A. I will create one more class called B. Okay, this is not required. This much is not required. Okay. I'll show you one shortcut. I'm creating a test class, guys. Okay. In this, I have main method. Before this class, I will create one more class. Class A. Okay. I can have like this, guys. In a single file, you can have n number of classes. Okay, guys. Understood? In a single file, you can have n number of classes. But whatever the file name you have given, in that class only main method should be present. Here, what is my file name, guys? See here, what is my file name?
Test.
Test.java.
Test.
And where is my main method?
Test.
In test class, right? In test class
In
only.
test class.
It is mandatory, guys. Whatever the file name you have given, in that class only main method should present.
Yes,
At
sir,
that time
John.
only, compilation will be done. If you try to write main method in C or A or B, A, B, C, it will throw error. Okay? Because whenever we need to run a program, Java program, we need to give Java class name, right? To compile Java C file name dot Java. Am I correct? At the time it will get errors. That's the reason whatever file name you have given in that class only you need to write main method. In every class I have a constructor, guys. Okay. In every class I have a constructor. B extends A. B also having one constructor. C extends B. C also having one constructor.
Sir, screen is not visible clearly.
It is not visible clearly. Yeah. Let me check. I think I have optimized it. One second, guys. Let me check it. I think it is internet issue. Is it okay now? Is it okay now, guys?
Yes, sir. It is visible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See here, I am performing inheritance, right? A is the supermost class. B is the subclass of A. C is the subclass of B. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Up
Yes,
to now,
sir.
everyone clear, right? If I write here, okay, in my A constructor, A class constructor, I am printing a statement called I am from class A, right? Now I will create object of C, okay? C equal to new C. Tell me the output, guys. If I run this, what will be the
Class A,
output?
class A.
Yeah, what is the output? Someone said,
I'm
try,
from
guys.
class.
I am from class A.
Why? What is the reason? Yeah, it is coming
A extends
perfectly.
with
Yeah. Okay, extends done. Okay. Then it is a constructor, right? Only methods are inherited. Constructors are not inherited. I forgot to say this point. Whenever we have performing inheritance, constructors are not inherited, guys. Okay. Constructors are not inherited. That's why we use supercall statement. Okay. Why? Because constructor is a special method to initialize non-static values, right? Non-static variables. Am I correct? What is the purpose of writing a constructor, guys? Main purpose of writing a constructor?
To create a new object.
No. It is used
To
to
create a
initialize
new
the.
object, sir.
It is mainly used to
Static
Initialization.
initialize
members.
initialization of
Initialize the
non.
object.
Yeah. Initializing non-static members. Okay. Understood, guys? Those are not inherited by the help of supercall statement. We are calling that. Okay. Now tell me, if I write here, okay, let me delete this. I will call this here. Okay. Tell me the output, guys. Which statement will be printed first? Which will be second?
C will be first.
I am from class A first, and second is I am from class C.
Yeah. How you are telling that?
L is
Superclass
the uppermost class
constructor is
first.
right.
Why means you know this call statement, right? I think Ramana sir explained this call statement in constructor chaining topic, right? This call statement should be the must and should be the first statement in constructor, right? Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
If I write here this call statement, it will throw error. See here I am getting error, right? Constructor call must be the first statement in constructor. Are you able to see it? Did sir explain or not, guys? This
Yes, sir.
point. This point is explained or not? I think he explained.
No, sir.
No? Okay. No only. Now I will explain, don't worry. Whenever we are calling a constructor, guys, if it may be a this call statement or it may be a super call statement. These two only the responsible for calling constructor, right? Either this call or super call. Am I correct? This call or super call. Only these both are ways present in Java to call a constructor, right? Am I correct, guys? These are the ways to call a constructor from another constructor. Am I correct? Is
Yes,
any
sir.
other way to call a constructor? I want to call one constructor from another constructor. I want to call a other constructor for the current object itself. For the same object, I want another constructor. At that time, we have only two options, right? This call and super call statements. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Any other ways?
Yes, sir.
Any other ways? Any other ways, guys? No, right? No other ways, right? These both the statements should be. These both statements should be the first statement. First statement in a constructor, okay? Whenever you are writing a constructor, these both statements should be the first statement, okay? If I write here I am not writing anywhere. I am writing supercall statement, guys. Here in C also, anywhere I am writing supercall statement.
No, sir.
In B and C, anywhere I am
No, sir.
calling supercall constructors. No, I am not calling constructor. At the time also I am getting output, right? If I remove this, I will get I am from A class. How I am getting? How I am getting, guys?
And it will take defaultly.
Java defaultly calls default constructor, right? Default superclass constructor. In A class also, it is calling one constructor. Which constructor it is calling, guys? Which
Yes, sir.
constructor it is calling? In A class.
Sir.
Which constructor it is
Default
calling? Yeah,
Object
default
class.
constructor. Yeah, object class default constructor. What is your name, man? What's your name?
On Kalyan.
Yeah, very good. Yesterday only I said object class is the supermost class, right? While telling methods, I tell public object. Object is a class name. That means it is a constructor, right? I have explained. I asked you also, is this a method or is this a constructor? Remember this question? I remember that
Yes, sir.
question. For you guys only, not for other batches. For you only, I have asked this question. Every class. Here I am not extending object class. That means Java implicitly, defaultly, automatically calls, extends object class, right? Here, extends object. It will be there, right? This statement will be present. Defaultly, automatically, Java will be added. Whenever we are performing inheritance, there will be a super call statement, right? Super call statement like this, it is present. Understood, guys? Now clear?
Yes, sir.
This statement is added by the Java. Automatically, it will be added by the Java. Okay, I am not adding. If I make this parameterized int a, now I am getting error in C class, right? Whenever I am adding constructors, for constructor, whenever I am adding arguments, the subclass is getting affected, right? A class is not getting affected because it is a parent class. Subclass is getting affected. Why C class is getting affected, guys? What is the reason I'm getting error here? This is third time asking. Same example. I have explained for 2 times.
We have to create the parameterized constructor in the subclass.
Otherwise, you can call directly, right? You can call by 10. Like this also it is possible, right? No error is gone, right? We need to call a superclass constructor.
Yes,
That's it.
sir.
In superclass, only one constructor is there. That too, it is parameterized. It is parameterized. That's why I'm giving values. That's it. Understood, guys? Constructor chaining by using superclass statement.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you want notes or do you want new topic? Notes or new topic?
Notes, sir.
Notes. Will you take
Notes.
Notes.
will you take screenshot or you need
Notes.
did I need to dictate it? Dictation or screenshot?
Screenshots.
Screenshot. Let me open it.
Screenshots.
Okay.
Screenshots, sir.
Yeah. Give me a second. I will open. Yes, guys. Give me a minute. Let me open that. Yeah, guys. Are you now? I'm sharing my screen. Tell me, is it visible or not? Yeah. Is it visible, guys?
No, sir.
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No,
No,
no.
sir.
sir.
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it is visible.
Sir,
Visible,
now
sir.
it's visible, sir.
Yeah. You can take screenshots, guys.
Visible, sir.
Rather, let me make it page by page, okay? Single page will be enough for this. Take screenshots, guys. Whatever the points I have dictated, those many points I have giving, and some examples. With some examples I'm giving, okay? Up to inheritance, take every topic, okay?
So we're unable to see the test properly.
Okay, let me zoom it,
Sir, they are
okay?
not clear, sir.
Now,
Keep it classroom.
Sir, can you send
It's
files, sir?
fine, sir. Now it's fine.
now visible,
Now
right?
it's
Yeah, now you can take it. Otherwise, let me share this PDF with you, okay? Let me share these topics with you.
Okay,
fine,
sir.
sir.
Sir,
Upload
yes,
them
sir.
in
Please share the
classroom, sir.
files. Sir.
I will upload total material in classroom. Now you want points, right? Okay, just only takes points, okay? I will zoom it. Just only take points.
Okay, sir.
Take these points.
Done, sir.
Done? Yeah. This. Otherwise, I will keep like this only. You can write it. Tell me guys which platform is good. Is YouTube is better or this is better, guys? Which one is you are feeling better?
This one, this one is good, sir.
I think you are done with this. Yeah. Take this. Done?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Done.
Yeah, guys. Wait. Yeah. Wait, this is not going. Yeah, that's it. Uses of super keyword, constructor chaining. When explicitly, programmer should write superclass statement. I have explained this right. If superclass does not contain default constructor, then from subclass we need to write superclass statement. I tell this point right. I explain this point.
Yes, sir.
Done. That's all.
Yes, complete.
Completed right. Yeah, that's good. Okay, guys, we will start overriding concept tomorrow. Okay, overriding means
Okay, sir.
okay. I will give brief introduction. Okay, about overriding, I will give brief introduction. Tomorrow we will complete this topic. Okay, assume that this is my. I will delete all the things. Insert shapes. This is my super class, guys. Okay, I insert one more box like this. This is my subclass. In my subclass, there is a non-static method, guys. Okay, non-static method. You know, right? Non-static method. That is M1 method. There is a non-static method, guys. Okay. Here I am performing inheritance. Did M1 method is present in my child class or not? This is child. Okay. Is this method will be there in my child class or not? Respond, guys. Will it be there or not?
Oh, yes,
It
sir.
will be there, right?
There.
There, sir.
Sir.
Same
Yes, sir.
implementation, right? Whatever the code here I am written. If I write here print hi, same code is written here also, right? Same code, right? Same logic. Am I correct? Whatever the code here written here, same code is written here also, right? Same logic will be
Yes, sir.
appeared here, right? But in some situations, I don't want that code. I want that method. I want that method, but I don't want that implementation. Are you getting my point? I want that method only. I want M1 method only, but I need to perform some other action. If it is printing hi means I need to print hello. It is my requirement. But M1 method is same, okay? Same M1 method. At that time, we will override, guys, okay? Override means in general words. Overriding means in general words, guys. We will use lot of times override. Crossing, right? Whenever we are traveling in bike, we are riding a bike. Override in front person, right?
Since it arises before one, sir.
What? What you have told? I didn't get your point.
Since it arises the present one and it replaces that one with a new thing.
Yeah, it will change the implementation of old to new. That's it, okay, guys. But if you call parent class M1, same hi will be printed, okay? Let me show you simple example. Overriding concept will be done like this only. Okay, see here. Here I have a public void add method, guys, okay? For this, argument is int type a comma int b, okay? Here it is not void int type, okay? Int type. Return a plus b, okay? This is my method, guys. Understood? My a class contains add method or m1 method, say m1 method only. M1 method with two arguments. That means in my b class also there is a m1 method, right? Tell me, guys. If you respond only, I will close fastly today. Okay. Daily we are getting late, right? I will close by 25 and I will give 5 minutes time for you. If you respond. In my parent class, supermost class, there is a method called m1. Will this method present in my b class or not? Because b
Yes,
extends
sir.
a.
Presented, sir.
Yes, sir. Present,
Yeah,
sir.
it
Yes.
will be present,
It
right?
is, sir.
In my c class, in my c class,
Yes, sir.
Present, sir.
yeah.
Present, sir.
Present.
Present, sir.
That means I can able to call with the reference of c dot m1 method, right?
Yes, sir.
M1 with
Yes, sir.
2 comma 5. For this I will assign for one value. I will print M. See. Now my output is 7, right? My output is 7.
Yes, sir.
My output is 7, am I correct? Now A class M1 method is whenever I call A class M1 method, it is adding. But my B class is very talented person. He is very Bhayankara developer. He need same M1 method with int a comma int b. Okay, but he don't perform addition. He will perform multiplication. Okay, same M1 method, right? Same method signature. Is there any change in my method signature?
No,
Public,
sir.
public, int, M1, M1. Arguments are also same, right? Now tell me what is output?
10.
Diamond problem, I think.
7 and 10, sir.
7 and 10. How it is 7 and 10?
10, sir.
Sir,
10, sir.
it's a compiler error, sir.
No, it is
10,
not a
sir.
compile time error. It is 10. Why means C extends only B. B presents what are the qualities of B? M1 method, which will perform multiplication, right? C extends B. C is not extending A. If C extends A, it will perform addition.
Okay. We got it, sir.
For
Got it,
that,
sir.
for our understanding, Java provides annotations, guys. Annotation, okay? At the rate override annotation. Whenever we are writing this like this, whenever we are changing implementation of superclass non-static method in subclass, at the time we use override annotation, okay? We use override annotation. Annotation means what is annotation? I will tell you. It's a simple point. I will tell one shortcut for you, okay? See here. Just in which class you want to override methods of superclass. In C class, I want to override B class methods. Okay? Are you getting my point, guys? In my C class, I want to override B class methods. At the time, come to C class, hit control space, and see here, I'm getting my M1 method, right? Am I getting this, guys? Override this method in B.
Yes, sir.
It will automatically give, guys. At the rate override annotation, same syntax. Whatever the implementation you want, you can give it. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Control space is your best friend, guys. Try to use control space. It will help you in lot of things. Okay? That's it. Overriding concept is also done. Any doubt in overriding concept? Tomorrow we will go with one practical example. Okay? With inheritance. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Tomorrow fully we
Okay,
will go
sir.
with example only. Okay? Now will you take notes
Okay,
for
sir.
it? Will you take notes for it? Override concept.
Okay, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
But do practice, guys. Tomorrow I will ask you guys to share your screen and show your practice. Okay? Inheritance and overriding concept. I will ask only these two. That's it, guys. I need to explain some more points. I will explain tomorrow, okay? But take a note of it. Practically, I have explained what is overriding, but theoretically, I have not explained fully. I will explain while teaching program, okay? A real-time program. Just write these words, these simple statements. Tomorrow, we will go with one practical example and we will end the session. It will take time tomorrow, okay? And tomorrow is a weekend. You guys are very busy. That's it for today, guys. I think you guys don't have. If you have doubts, you can stay here, guys. Those who have doubts, up to now, any concept, they can stay. Remaining people can leave. For YouTube people, let me provide you attendance link, guys. Those who are listening in YouTube, wait 2 minutes. Let me provide you attendance link.
Here also fill the form, sir.
Yeah, for you not required, man. I will get attendance from the app itself. For you not required.
Okay, okay.
Those who are attending in YouTube, for them I'm telling, okay? If you have
Sir,
any
if you
doubt,
don't sign in on the app also,
what
sir,
man?
if you don't sign in the app also, it is happening.
If you don't sign in means you will give name, right? You will give name while logging in. While logging into a class, you will give name, right? Your name. That is enough. I have forgotten that point. I will tell tomorrow in tomorrow's class, okay? Everyone should log in with your names, guys, okay? With your fully qualified name. Because for attendance
Okay,
issues,
sir.
if you log in with your full name means I can get it. Someone is not giving name also, someone is giving mobile number directly. What should I done by taking your mobile ad? What is the use of it? Log in with your name, okay? Yeah. Yeah, guys. For YouTube people, those who are watching in YouTube, are you there? There is a attendance link is in your chat box, yes. Go and fill it fastly. I will keep just 5 minutes. After that, I will close it. After 5 minutes, I will close it. I suggest you to join classroom because it allows 250 people. Okay, you are only 200 people. It will very useful. You can refer these YouTube videos later. Okay. Yes, guys. Are anyone there? 90 people, 92 people are there. Do you have any doubts?
No, sir.
All right.
No, sir.
Someone is asking, sir, how to submit attendance assignment, right?
Yes, sir, exactly.
Yeah. Assignment means you are trying in Eclipse, right? You are writing in Eclipse, right? You can directly copy paste that code in Word file and make it PDF. You can directly copy paste that
Okay.
code in a Word document and make it as a PDF. Okay, save it as a PDF. Otherwise, take screenshots of it. Take screenshots of code and output also. Whatever the output you have get, take screenshot, both the screenshot and keep it in Word file. Okay, keep it in Word file. Then
Okay, sir. Then when
save it as a PDF. Then submit it in Google Form. That's it. Google Classroom. Understood?
okay. Yeah, yeah, sir. Thank you, thank you.